He likes it. Oh,
he really likes it.
Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish?
I think he is.
You think so?
What do?
Baby behind. I
What's he
wonder
got
if
on his
baby.
diapers? Can see
Poo.
little faces.
Pooh Bear.
I wonder if his bottom really is smooth. You know, smooth as a baby's bottom. Are babies' bottoms really smooth?
Most babies are, unless they have a diaper rash.
Rash.
Feel how soft his skin is just down here on his legs. Most babies' skin is just very soft. They don't have any hair.
Soft. Yeah.
Compare it to your own legs.
Oh yeah. Ow. Hot. Very hairy.
That's his.
And mine's hurts wrong.
Because it's all muscle, sure.
And partly bone.
He's part pudge.
Yeah.
You were 90% pudge.
You go away.
You went through the little pudge phase
You go.
around your first speedster. How's your brother doing?